So we literally got out of the truck here, and what did we find, guys?
Snakes. I think he lives under the rock.
We might want to stay back unless he's hibernating because how cold it is.
Look at that. That is a big snake skin. And I imagine he probably does live under there. No, we're going to leave him alone. He's probably down that big hole right there.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh, there's another one right there.
Oh
my gosh, there's 3 of them.
Oh my god.
So we're around some kind of mating deal.
3 times.
No, that's different snakes.
What in the heck? For real, guys.
They are so soft and cute.
1 snake skin. 2 snake skins.
3 snake skins.
3
4.
snake skins.
Oh yeah, there's a big hole right there. Yeah, that's
4
definitely
snake
where they
skins.
live. What about over?
I think there was a snake ball here.
That's a nice home. That's another one. Another
Where?
one. 4 snakes. Oh my god.
Let's see.
4 snake skins.
Well, y'all keep an eye out for snakes. I bet there's probably more around here. We ain't just seeing them. There are rattlesnakes in Arkansas. We're out here at Stick Lake, and some of y'all know what it is. They call it Torrent Lake now, but we used to come out here before it had the pretty trails and all that, and you literally came out here with, you needed a truck to get out here. It was pretty sketchy, but now they made it all nice and made it a park. This is where the snake skins are, is Torrent Lake. So if you guys want to come check out them snake skins, we're not going to disturb them. We're going to leave them there. Anyway, y'all like, subscribe, and share this button. Fort Smith, Arkansas.
Mine's just holding.
This is so cute. It's not getting anymore. Look, this goes all the way back to there. I know.
Oh,
Okay, get under there.
There's a beaver dam right there.
No, I hear it. Like you stop. I'm gonna put it over there.
You see some of
I'll
the
tell you
logs.
what I know.
They chewed up another one right up there too.
Back up real fast.
Here they come. What happened? That's scary. Fungus on the tree. If y'all can see it, there's a good spot. Gotta have a good eye. Gotcha. I got you.
How dare you?
Gotcha. Better pay attention. If I was a bear, you'd have been eating. You'd have been eating. You were the slowest. Actually, Lego was. I'd ate her.
We caught a minnow.
No, you
Yeah, but it
didn't.
has mold all over it. See? We caught a minnow.
That's nasty, dude.
It has mold on it.
Throw it away. Don't touch that. Wipe your hands off.
It's a minnow.
Throw it out.
First minnow. Be careful, they're really big.
Hey, don't be mean to it.
Don't be mean to it. It will
There
be.
you go.
Oh!
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, they're so scary. I'm putting my hoodie on.
So
It's pretty odd.
we used to come down here. All this wasn't here.
This is a
And we had to get up that little side there. It was pretty fun.
No, it's not. It's a walk.
Pretty fun deal.
Guys,
And then there's a big old open lot over there we used to go ride in.
there's some
See
ground
the
under
path
here.
too. Big. I wear a size 13. Just so you know what's up. That's a big sucker. Anyway, y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification button. I guess this is YouTube we're gonna be doing. But yeah, I ain't messing around going in there. Pretty cool we came across this. Just went for a nature walk. Anybody know what kind of snake skins these are? Are these diamondback rattler grass snakes? Black moccasin. I guess you could check for the back end for a rattle. I'm out of here. That one's a big one. That sucker's huge. Who's got the cojones to pick the rock up? Not me. Not me. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Those are huge. Snake den somewhere. Party. These are just the ones that shed, so you can imagine how many there is.